Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix. Today, I'm gonna take some prunings. No, I'm not gonna take prunings. I'm gonna take cuttings. So today I'm gonna prune these trees. I'm gonna take some cuttings. Thought I would share real quickly with you, how are we gonna get these suckers out of here real quick. Let's take a look at what I'm going to do with this Olympian fig. I wanna make sure I get these cuttings labeled and properly taken care of, washed, so that I can get them sent off to a few friends that are looking forward to trying to root some of my cuttings. All right, so first the easy stuff. Y'all, this branch right here is coming out of the base. I'm going to take that off. So I'm going to real easily, let's see, let me get on this side so y'all can probably see that a little better. First, there's this little stuff. I want a single stem. This tree is absolutely perfectly shaped. I want a single stem. So these little things down here are just going to come off. This is not a sucker. It is connected to the tree. So we're going to cut that as close to the tree as I can get with my pruners. All right, so there's that. I'm going to take that leaf off. Now what I want to do is, it's still pretty green up here on the top, so I'll probably attempt to root that, but I don't really feel like there's a chance. But I'm going to count down 4, 5, 6 nodes. I'm shipping these to friends. I want them to have the opportunity to cut them in half or do whatever they would like to with them. Up here at the top, the buds are really close together. I'm sorry, the nodes are really close together. So this will be pretty easy. I am going to go ahead and I'll cut the top. This will be mine. So I'm going to cut that top out. That'll be easy to identify, top and bottom. But now I'm just going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to cut right in the middle. Now, one thing I'm going to do, oops, there we go. One thing I'm going to do, I know which is bottom. We know how to identify that, but I'm just going to cut the bottom at a pretty sharp point. So that's going to make for quick, easy identification. These are not real large cuttings, but I do feel like they're probably going to work pretty well. Honestly, this one, I'm just going to leave like it is. This is how I'm going to send this one. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely can't cut that one any shorter, but I'm going to continue to do that. This one is a sucker. Now, some of the comments that I've gotten are with suckers, make sure you dig down and cut at the base of that, or it's just going to continue to grow a sucker there, and that's not what I'm looking for. So that one I'm going to dig out. This one is a sucker as well. The rest of this is all coming off the tree. So I'm going to get that cleaned up. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks afterwards. One last thing on the top, y'all, this tree is shaped perfect. It's even the right height. It's got limbs coming out in all 4 quadrants. So for the top, I'm simply going to take it right in here. And that's going to leave me 4 branches coming out in all 4 quadrants, just like I'm hoping for. I don't need this at this point. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to take this right here. I'll go a little higher. All right. And there's the top cut out of this one. I'll get that cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and at least cut the tip off of, I'm going to cut the tip off of this one a little bit. That's probably trash. I'm just going to leave that one alone. It's so short. I'll leave this one alone, and I'll leave this one alone. So that's it. So I'm going to clean this sucker up. I'm going to clean all of this bottom up, and I'll show you just a second what it looks like after I've taken all of the cuttings and pruned this tree back. All right, so there we go. This is the aftermath of cleaning up the bottom. Y'all, I did take some of the suckers out, and check it out. They have roots. I was able to get roots off of them. I did peel the dirt back a ways and cut them out. So I'm gonna attempt to root these, probably use sand. I know they're gonna have to be super, super moist, but both of these have roots on them. So hopefully y'all can see that, but I'm gonna try to root those. I did not take this sucker, and there's a good reason for that. You'll find out come January, maybe a little challenge coming. But I got this all cleaned up, the top's out. Hopefully this guy will grow just like this and give me that bowl shape that I'm looking for. But this is how I'm pruning my Olympian. I'm gonna do something very similar to the rest of my trees, but just thought I'd put out a short, quick video and let y'all know how I'm pruning my trees. Y'all, fig addiction's a real thing. Embrace it and join the Fig Evolution. Thanks for watching.